Alright, we've had a couple people ask if they could see some examples of different songs on the speaker, because the review didn't really show it very well. So I just have a few songs picked out on a couple different ranges so you can kind of hear the MuseMini speaker in action. So this is the first one. I'll let them each play for a little bit so you can hear the sound quality. Just turn the device on. You've heard it before. I'm just connecting up with a wire. It'd be the same thing with Bluetooth if I had the Bluetooth hooked up. But here we go.
Who's the boy you like the most? Is it teasing you with underage? Could he be waving from a tropical sunset? Static silhouette somehow. Single in his bed someday. Quiet till it falls, falls, falls. Roam, 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 focus, looking forward. The coolest, the unknown. Know what I say? What can I say? Roam, roam, many tears are falling here. I'll be driving you look the other way. That easy to avoid.
So that's one. Pretty mellow song. You can hear some of the bass on that one. We'll play another one with a little more bass now. At least I think. So you see I just switched, between two devices, standard audio input.
Living on a farm road, taking all your time slow, cheering from the pictures. Don't you wish your life was gold? I bet you do. Passing out your light, just sneaking through the doorway, feeling like you just stayed home. That's how it really goes. You know it does. Don't think that we're bad, don't think we're bad at all. It just takes some time alone. Hey, hey girl, we're a wild type.
And then the last one will hook up to the computer. I'll let you hear it on the laptop first, and then you can see the difference between the laptop and then also the difference between the MuseMini speaker. And I'm not going to move the camera from this spot so you can hear the exact difference. There's that plain speaker. That's the speaker without the speaker. Speaker. Without speaker.
And the world's your oyster.
So I'm actually worried someone's going to come tell me to turn the radio down. But that's the range that the speaker gets. It's pretty awesome. And you heard most of those are pretty heavy bass songs, and the speaker wasn't too muffled at all. In fact, you could barely hear any muffling. But the range was higher than the actual laptop itself, so it gives a good indication of how good the sound quality is with this MuseMini speaker. But check it out. We have a couple other videos, and I'll put some more up. We even have one on hunting with hunting calls. But check it out. MuseMini speaker found at tankbottle.com. Thanks.